The Constitution of India. Part 5. The Union. Chapter 2. Parliament. Disqualifications of Members. Article 103. Decision on questions as to disqualifications of members. 1. If any question arises as to whether a member of either House of Parliament has become subject to any of the disqualifications mentioned in Clause 1 of Article 102, the question shall be referred for the decision of the President and his decision shall be final. 2. Before giving any decision on any such question, the President shall obtain the opinion of the Election Commission, and shall act according to such opinion.